up, you guys? Tools in Action. We're out here with Ridgid. We guys show you a little bit. We might even show you in this video a little bit about what we do, how we go to these events. The cool thing is they give us a lot of swag, right? Usually we get bags and a lot of goodies. We have Alex here, and she's also from Illinois, Peoria, so give it up for Illinois. Awesome. Woo! In the house, in the house. But she's going to show you guys what's in this bag, and what we're going to do is 2 of you guys are going to win this bag. You got to comment below what you think about Ridgid. We also want you to make sure you follow Ridgid on their Instagram channel. So I'm going to be watching. I'm going to go over there. If you don't follow them, you can't win. So
yes,
cool.
Ridgid Power Tools.
So before she starts though, this is in there, you guys. Check this out. It's a little screen Roomba, right? Granted, it's not made by Ridgid. It is only a marketing item, but it is cool, right? So don't start contacting Home Depot saying where are these things at.
Contact us.
Yes.
And then we'll get you one.
Oh, really?
If you win.
Yeah,
if you win. Oh, okay. He's actually, I'm thinking we should get together here. We might be able to sell the heck out of these things. Right? Really? Alright, what do we got in this bag?
Alright, we got this amazing OGO backpack. Inside, we have a super cool camelback water bottle, as well as this Mophie charger, super portable, keep your phone charged on the go, get up to like what you said, 2 chargers I think.
Yep. It's insane.
And then a luggage tag for your bag.
That's like the best part, the luggage tag.
Yeah.
When I saw that, I was like, my whole trip was made, man. I was like, man, it's leather, right?
Right, yeah.
It's nice.
And then, like you said, this little Roomba phone screen.
Yeah, cool. And OGO backpack, you guys, is really nice. I know a lot of you guys, some other brands have done the OGO too. And every time we take them to an event, people are like, whoa, that's awesome. But this one is labeled Ridgid. So comment below, what do you guys think about Ridgid? Do you use them on a job site? If you do, what's your favorite tool? Go over there, Instagram, check them out. Tools in Action, #TA Crew. Go Illinois. And the Cubs.
Yes, go Cubs.
They'll never win again.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.